everyone, welcome to our channel Vive Biology. Today we're diving into the weird and wonderful world of plant tissue culture. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. We're going to break it down into bite-sized, plant-sized pieces. So, what's plant tissue culture? Well, it's like the spa day for plants, but in a laboratory. We pamper them with nutrients, give them some privacy, sterile conditions to be exact, and watch them grow into the stars they're destined to be. It's like plant celebrity boot camp. Imagine you're a plant. You're not feeling your best, and you want to be the best version of yourself. That's where plant tissue culture comes in. It all starts with a tiny piece of you, maybe a leaf, stem, or root, your choice. This piece goes through a spa-level cleaning with a bath in bleach or ethanol to say goodbye to all those pesky germs. Once you're all squeaky clean, you get settled onto a comfy, nutrient-rich bed. We call it a medium. This bed has everything a growing plant needs: sugars, amino acids, vitamins, you name it. It's like a 5-star, all-you-can-eat buffet for plants. Now, here's where it gets fun. Depending on what we want you to be when you grow up, we give you a special diet. Want to be tall and leafy? We'll feed you lots of cytokinins. Prefer to have strong roots? It's auxins for you. And like any good chef, we might sprinkle in some plant hormones, auxins and cytokinins, to spice things up. But the real magic happens when we use plant tissue culture to clone you. Yes, you heard it right. Plant clones. We take a tiny piece of you, put it in that cozy nutrient bed, and voila! You grow into an identical twin of yourself. It's like the plant version of a superhero origin story. Why do we do all this, you ask? Well, for starters, it's like having a factory for producing the same awesome plants over and over. Think about it. You can have endless rows of your favorite flowers or the juiciest tomatoes without having to wait for nature to do its thing. But that's not all. We can also use plant tissue culture to make some fancy stuff. Ever heard of alkaloids, flavonoids, or terpenoids? No? Well, they're like the fancy dress and accessories for plants. We can make these in our plant tissue culture lab without growing the entire plant. It's like plant fashion design without the runway. And if you thought we were done, hold on to your gardening gloves because there's more. We can use plant tissue culture for genetic engineering. We're talking about making plants with superhero powers, disease resistance, higher yields, or even plants that glow in the dark. Just kidding, but wouldn't that be cool? Oh, and did I mention that plants grown through tissue culture are like germaphobes' dream come true? They're completely pest and disease-free. No need for harsh pesticides. They're the cleanest plants on the block. So there you have it, folks. Plant tissue culture in a nutshell. It's like plant science fiction turned reality. We grow plants in a lab, clone them, make fancy plant stuff, and even give them superpowers. It's all about making our green friends even greener, and it's a whole lot of fun in the process. Thank you, everyone! Happy planting!